Go get the ball. See your ball skills. All right. Throw it over here. Oh, it went over your head. All right, Murray, throw it over here. All right. All right, Murray, you ready? Ready? Here you go. You're trying to stand. Well, there you go. Oh, you're trying to stand up on your own? You can do it, Murray. All right. Boom. Good throws. Throw it. The wind up. And the pitch. All right. Are you giving me all the balls? Or are you running away? Can you give me that ball? Ah! You threw it over your head. Go get it. It's behind you. Good job. Here we go. Pass it over here, bud. Right over here. That was a weak throw, man. Okay, here we go. Ready? You fell over. All right, you ready? You ready? Good job. All right, there we go. Oh, the fake. Throw it here. Oh, all right, you want to show your keeper skills? Watch this one. You ready? All right, here we go. Oh, you got it. He's throwing it in. Oh, all right, here we go. Ready? It's going over the side. No, Murray, you let it go. Good stop. Oh.